Hi, I'm Michael Newrock, and I've just taken a profiteer trade in the last hour. It's on the Kiwi yen on the 1 hour time frame. You can see it was initiated here and popped straight up on the same bar, locked in profits here and here. New bar has just opened, and I'm thrilled with the results. I'm already up around 600 or just under 600. We'll see how we go throughout the course of this trade. My higher time frames are telling me that I'm definitely trading in the right direction, and all the different indicators are pointing to a positive result. Of course, I've already just had a positive result with profits locked in, but it's going to be really interesting to see how this trade plays out. Currently, we're in a 4 hour uptrend and upswing, a daily upswing, too close to call on the daily trend, a weekly uptrend and a weekly upswing. So perfect conditions. I will pause the video for now and get back as soon as we have some new results. Well, okay, so 317 bucks. That trade just got knocked out quicker than I can whistle Dixie. Now I'm looking at a swing trade, and I just wanted to take this trade because I think there's a lot more room to move to the upside with my previous trade. So I'm going to take this trade right now. It's a swing trade following the trend trade that I just took and got knocked out for the 317. So lots of room for movement there, and we've had some nice highs to reach to. 5 out of the 6 higher time frame indicators are telling me this trade is going up. My price action is telling me that it's going up as well. My moving average, my fast moving average is above my slow moving average. My RSI is above the 50. My MACD has just swung up and turned green. So all in all, this is looking like a pretty good trade, and it's not like I've got revenge for only getting 317 bucks out of the market last time, but a new setup has occurred. So that's what it's all about. When you're a profiteer, when you are profiteering from a trend, you need to be able to get in there and take whatever you can from the market, whatever the market will give you. And if you get knocked out, look again for a new setup. And if a good setup occurs and you've got a compelling reason to take the trade, take the trade. Anyway, this might blow up in my face, but I'm going to see how this goes. I'm going to pause the video right now, and let's see how this swing trade within the trend, following up from my $317 win goes. I'm going to pause now. We'll talk to you soon. Okay, so this trade is going well. This is a swing trade that I took after the trend trade that netted me 317. Now, my first position on the swing trade's already been taken out, but $441 has been converted from equity into capital. And my open trade, my last position open on the swing trade, because there were two, is currently sitting on 416. Now, it got much higher, as you can see there. The high did go a fair bit up, but we found resistance at where I expected to find resistance, which is the recent highs. But it is still looking really strong. 6 out of 6 higher time frame indicators are pointing up. The RSI is still above the 50. The MACD's just swung to the upside. So all in all, it's still looking really good, and I'm hanging in there. Right now, I'm a winner. My first position is closed. Adding more equity into capital, and that's on top of the 317 from the original trend trade of this whole move. So looking good. I'll see how we go and come back as soon as I have another update. Cheers. All right. This is the New Zealand yen on the 4-hour time frame. This is a swing trade that was taken after the original trend trade. 317 netted on that. 441 netted on my first position on the swing trade. And take a look. $784 in my open position currently. Looking really nice. A little bit of a concern with that recent consolidation. It's bounced straight back up with a new swing to the upside, so that's good, and all my indicators are telling me this pair is still going up. Where's my loyalty? To the market. That's my only loyalty. So I'll follow the market in this case, going up as far as it takes me. I'm going to continue to lock in profits as I go, because, as I say, no one ever went broke from locking in profits. And let's see how far this trade can take us. But for now, quite a lot's been converted into equity. About what, 760 into capital rather, and I've got my open trade still open and still rocking on. So I'm going to pause right now, come back shortly. Okay, so this trade is going very nicely. We've got that new swing just on the previous bar, and right now it's looking at about 100 and almost 120 pips is where it's reached. It's currently on about 110, and right now I've got my pips locked in. We've got we've got about 50 pips locked in, so sitting on around 1,400 bucks. Of course, 760 from my previous position was closed, and then 317 prior to that. So looking really, really good. All still very positive, all to the upside. So I'm going to continue to trail this trade as long as I can. Anything can happen, of course, that's trading. But right now I'm in a win-win situation. I'm playing with the market's money. It's free money. Whatever happens, I'm in a win-win situation. So I'm going to continue to see how much more I can extract out of this market. When you get to this stage, it really does become exciting. Well, for me, it's never stopped being exciting. Let's put it that way. And what's not to like? I'm gonna pause the video and come back as soon as I have another update. Hey guys, okay, so this trade has officially being closed out. So $629 on my second position, quite a lot shy from where I was looking at the lofty 1,400 bucks, and probably serves me right. But hey, um, with trading, you got to be nice with yourself and take the profits when they're there. But at the same time, you want to maximize the returns that you make from every trade. So from where I see it, about 1,070 from this swing trade, 317 from the previous trade, which started this trend. So around 1,400 or just shy of 1,400 bucks. Nothing to feel bad about. For myself, I am going to report to my lovely wife of another winning, and that's what it's all about. You want to handle your wins well, handle your losses well, and whatever the market gives you is what you should be grateful for. Attitude with gratitude, as I say. For now, I'm walking away a winner. Come join me, and I really look forward to being able to share with you everything that I've learned from the University of Hard Knocks. The last 20 years in this industry, and learning from my experiences. Some of them good, many of them not so good, and some of them total disasters. But that is the benefit of being able to learn from someone that's been in your shoes and that can guide you the easy way to become a consistently successful trader. The other thing as well, of course, is the software. The software has taken a lot of engineering to develop it to this point, and I'm delighted with its performance and its sophistication and its flexibility of being able to be customized any way that you want. And of course, the other remaining factors of becoming a good trader, apart from the mentorship and the resources like the software that's so important these days in such a fast-paced world where anything can happen in a minute, but also the training that comes along with it, and of course, finally, the community of being involved with like-minded traders that all want the same thing and are all there to be able to learn from and help each other. So come join me. I'll see you in the members area. And until next time, good trading, live well, and I'll see you soon.